TheSmartLocal.com.
We will stand together here. The lions roar. Hi, I'm Ra.
I'm Joyce.
And welcome to another episode of
TSL Reviews! So today we will be reviewing the NDP Fun Pack 2018. The goodie bag. Honestly, it's one of the first few items I remember from my primary 5 NDP preview.
Yeah, I've never gone for the actual NDP before. The only time I've went was for the P5 preview. I remember just feeling damn patriotic. After the whole parade, right, I was in the school bus going back to school. Then I like looking out the window, then it was raining. Then I'm like, I love my country.
Why are you such an introspective 11-year-old?
The Kallang wave. That was fun for an 11-year-old me.
Really?
Like you just see everyone like ah.
I think my favourite part is whenever the entire celebration comes to an end and then they will have the singer for that year, right? Will appear from some sort of birthday cake formation kind of thing. Normally when they hit the chorus, right, then there will be fireworks and everything.
Yeah.
Every year is the same formula, but people still love it. Okay, Lai, bring on the fun packs. Give it.
Gimme that fun pack. Oh!
What? It's canvas one, sir.
Wow, I love the bag.
This is like Bagu. You know Bagu?
Yeah. I just saw one part of the design which I freaking love. So cute!
Singer.
Fun fact, there are 18 designs. 18 fun fact designs this year. So actually these designs have been drawn by special needs kids in Singapore. And I love how inclusive the whole thing is. Like, it's options for everyone.
Is it time to open?
Oh, something's out of here.
What the heck? You know last time, right, when I was young, I always saw the people at the HDB blocks, right, they would hang the flag outside. And I had no idea where they got it from. So I decided I would draw my own on an A4 paper and I'll colour it. Okay, what is the next item? Okay, the visor it is.
Okay, you look like a drink stand. Oh my god, Joyce!
What?
Hold the phone!
The phone?
2 bottles of water. New water, good old new water.
Yeah.
And then we also have the legendary fair price pure drinking water.
Don't have it.
Wait! Oh! Whoa! It's
Oh my god,
freaking-
it's golden duck eh!
And it's not just chips it's the freaking fish skin.
I'm gonna open it. I'm so impressed by this eh. I don't even care the rest of the things that are inside. Well, I love it. I can already imagine how happy this is going to make the people who receive the fun pack.
Is there a tissue?
Inside have.
Oh,
Whoa.
wow! They came prepared.
The tissue is a voucher.
Huh?
What the heck?
Whoa! What? Wait. I think this is very smart because right, you know sometimes how people when they finish their tissue they just throw away. This one it will make you keep the plastic to use
Okay, next item. There is a... Is this like simply to make noise one?
Yeah, I think you know like the clapper.
Ooh!
I guess it's for like those nighttime songs. Joyce, sing a song.
Oh my god, are you ready to party?
Sound back, yeah! Okay. Can we write our names on them? Hey, let's design for each other. I like the marker.
Then you have a shirt that says nuggets, which all the viewers are flipping about.
Hey, it's from Star Nanda by the way. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ala beach.
Singapore, we are Singapore. Ooh!
Oh, is this a scarf? This is a general hype tool, right? Like, woo! Right.
Kong Guan!
Where?
Kong Guan! I love Kong Guan. You never go wrong with Kong Guan butter biscuits. Ooh! Wow! Discount booklet!
Step aside all the snacks. This is where it's at.
There's a GoPro discount there. Oh!
Pizza voucher.
Oh yes! Gonna use that.
This folder which they have given us, right, is something that you can use when traveling to put your waterproof. Because it's waterproof, right, you can put your toiletries. There are tattoos.
If I remember correctly, there used to be the Malayan design.
Oh, nice.
Look. Oh!
Actually, it's super well thought out. Like, you want to do the tattoo, got water. You want to eat, got wet tissue. Then
You
after
want
that,
to
you can
sanitize.
sanitize.
Okay, I think we have cleared the fun pack.
I've cleared my fun pack.
Thank you so much NDP for sending over these fun packs for us to review. We'll also be giving away some fun packs to 8 lucky viewers.
And on top of that, we will be giving away 3 pairs of tickets to the NDP preview on 28th July. If you want to win, just like this video, subscribe to TSLTV, and comment below telling us what your favourite NDP memory is.
And you might just be walking away with either a fun pack or watching the NDP preview live on 28th July.
And if you wish to find out more about NDP 2018, you can click on their social pages below in the description box.
Thank you for watching this episode of TSL Reviews. If you like this episode, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
And watch our other videos over there.
Happy birthday, Singapore! Happy birthday
To you.
Singapore. Happy birthday
To you!
Happy to you.